Here we have the 18th Street River crossing in Tampa, Florida. First signal has a safe trend base. The gate mechanism is a safe trend gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information, which is crooked 6263G. Milepost is A81.16. Here we have the lights, which are safe trend 2x24-inch incandescent lights. There's the logo, mounted on a safe trend junction box. The bell is an NEG electronic bell. A new gate and Ricoh LED gate lights. West and east. Now walking over to the second signal. There's the relay case. Oh, I'm sweating today. Second signal has a Western Coney's base. Gate mechanism is a Western Coney's gate mechanism. There's the logo. Emergency information again. Western Cohen Hayes, still by 24-inch lights. There's the logo. And they are the second generation 12 by 24-inch lights. Mounted on the WRS junction box. Crossbuck, no bell. New gate and Ricoh LED gate lights. This is 17th Street River Crossing, Tampa, Florida. Oh, over and out.